Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to see first Instagram message without scrolling. So to do that, I'm heading over to my Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile and go to your DM section on the top right. Now, if you have any DMs that you have not seen yet and that have a lot of messages, just head over there. And if you just tap on this profile showing icon or the bottom icon that is floating on top, you will get the newest messages. So yeah, as you can see, this is the new messages. It is from the top, you can see, and you can see it to the bottom. So yeah, without scrolling, you can see it like that. Hope this video will help you out, and without see you, and we'll see you in the next video.